11 Cottage Ave, Wilmington. I want to show you this property. So you got the living room here. You got a nice office, a bedroom on the first floor. Okay. We go in here into a beautiful kitchen, but before that we have a bathroom. Right in there is the laundry. Okay, so laundry on the first floor. Beautiful eat-in area, nice wraparound deck. Kitchen. Okay, all redone. Nice dining room. Upstairs you have 3 more bedrooms and a full bath. Downstairs you have more space, so another open room, as well as downstairs you also have a full bathroom. So a bathroom on every floor. I'm gonna go outside real quick. Huge deck, beautiful for sitting. One of my favorite parts is that sitting area. Look how huge this is. Nice jacuzzi tub. Super private. You can't get any more privacy than this. Great side yard. You got plenty of backyard. Plenty of storage. This is 11 Cottage Ave in Wilmington. Look how private this is. Okay? You can't see your neighbors. Alright, huge deck. Beautiful to sit out here in the summertime. House is super big, laid out over 3 floors. Come check it out.